Hi, kindergarten through second grade artists. Good to see you. So today we're going to review drawing with certain lines and main shapes, and we're going to draw a cat. So everything we look at is made up of lines and main shapes. So you as artists are going to learn how to use your eyes and look for those shapes. So I want to go back and tell you a funny story. One of my favorite artists, Paul Klee, said that a line is a dot that went for a walk. So in essence, there you have it. You have your dot and it continues on its way and it makes a line. So there are all kinds of lines. So in our drawing, we're going to use straight lines, curvy lines, short lines, and a thick line. There's more than that, but that's what we'll use for today. And we're going to use main shapes to make our cat. The circle, the triangle, the oval, the cylinder. And there's even a rectangle in there. So we're going to use all of those shapes. So when you look at a cat and you look at the head, the first thing you're going to see is that the head is round. The basic shape of the cat's head is round. So I'm going to go ahead with my marker. You can use a pencil if you like. Is draw a round circle. And the ears, if you remember in class, we said that the ears have a triangle shape. So I'm going to add triangles on the side of my cat's face. Also, there's another triangle for the nose. So as you build your cat, notice that you're using curvy lines and straight lines. Also on our cat, the body, there is a rectangle, and that is the main shape of the trunk or body of your cat. Also, the hip area would be an oval. So I'm putting an oval at the back end of my cat. And the tail kind of has a cylinder shape. So a cylinder is a rounded rectangle. If you think of it that way, it's the shape of our arms. It's also the shape of like our drinking bottles. That's a cylinder. So that's a very specific word we use in art. I'm going to go ahead and draw in the eyes. And I'm going to thicken my lines. Thick lines on the ears. I'm just going to make it a little thicker here. Okay, so now I'm moving down the body of my cat, and I'm going to go and make the chest area, which is more of a triangle in the front of that cat. And go ahead and make two cylinder legs in the front. Short lines for the toes on the cat's feet. And I'm going to put two cylinders in the back because this cat, since it's sort of sitting down, is laying a little bit on those legs. So we don't see all of it. So I'm putting them in the back. So we have used lines and we have used shapes, main shapes. So the lines we used, straight, looks like that. We have used curvy, which I used here on the face, curvy. We've used short, which is here on the feet, and also, I forgot, got to add some whiskers to the cat's face. Short lines and thick. I thickened my line. It's a little bit thicker over here on the ears. Shapes, we used a circle. We used the circle for the head. We used a, triangle. I think I spelled that wrong. Triangle. See, even teachers make mistakes sometimes. We used an oval and a cylinder. And there are our main shapes. So try to draw a cat using what you know about main shapes. If you can find a picture of a cat, that would be great. Then you can look at it. Or you're going to try it from your memory, because I know a lot of you have very good memories. And I know we did something like this in class. We might have done a dog, so now we're just doing a cat instead. Go for those main shapes. When you're done putting your cat the way you like it, in pencil you can go back and use crayon. You can add curvy lines and color to it and take a picture, put it on Seesaw. I'd love to see it. Okay, bye-bye. I'll see you next time.